Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will talk about short grey haircut ideas. Grey hair is beautiful and elegant, and short haircut can make it even more stylish and modern. With the right short haircut, you can look fresh, confident and age-defying to any age. Let's start with the classic pixie cut. A pixie cut is one of the most popular short hairstyles for grey hair. It looks bold, chic and modern. It highlights your facial features like your eyes and cheekbones beautifully. Pixie cuts are also very easy to maintain and style. You can add a little texture or waves to make it playful and trendy. Next, let's talk about the short layered bob. A short bob with layers adds volume and moment to your grey hair. The layers around your face create a soft, youthful look. This haircut is perfect if you want something neat, elegant and easy to style for daily wear. It works well with straight, wavy or slightly curly hair. Now let's discuss the textured shag haircut. A short shag is layered and full of texture. It gives a fun, modern and relaxed look to grey hair. This style works great if you want something trendy but easy to manage. The textured layers make grey hair look fuller and lively. Another great option is the stylish short grey haircut with layers is very best designs and ideas. Now a few hair care tips for short hair grey. Grey hair can be dry, so always use a moisturizing shampoo and conditioner. Purple shampoo helps maintain a bright silver grey tone and prevents oiling. Use a light styling cream or serum to add shine and reduce frizz. Regular trims are important to keep your short haircut looking fresh and stylish. Remember, short grey hair is elegant, modern and confident. The right haircut can make your look younger, stylish and full of personality. Talk to your hairstyles about your face shape, hair texture and lifestyle to choose the perfect short grey hairstyle for you. Keep visiting my channel for more designs and more ideas. You can see my ideas, you can enjoy my videos. New and trendy designs and ideas you can see in this my video. Every design is different, one another beautiful and attractive. Stylish short grey haircut ideas you can see in this my video. You can visit my channel and see more collection about women fashion, about women haircut ideas. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.